So to host my website, I need to make my web page about myself as like for introduction. So I go to the GitHub and I found this GitHub link. So the creator of that make a portfolio. So I clone that and edit it and make my portfolio something looks like that. So it is in my local machine right now and I want to host it so it can be seen by public also. So so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Amazon AWS S3 service. So S3 is a object storage service. So I'm hosting a static website in the Amazon AWS. So to host website, we have to go to the Amazon management console. So I'm clicking on the sign in because I've already created an account for that. If you haven't created an account, you can click on create free account, and there are many services eligible under the free tier service. So I'm currently logged in as root user. You can also log in at I am user if you have created it before. And yeah, I also have enabled the multi-factor authentication for some purpose. As So now we are in our Amazon management console here. So here are the list of services I have recently used. On the top of there is S3. So if you have created a new account, you cannot find there. So you have to search that there in the search. So search there S3 and there are the services S3 Glacier. And now that we are in our S3 management console, so we have to create our bucket. And in that bucket, we will add some files and folders of our requirement. So first task is to create a bucket. You can name anything. So in my case, I am going to name it as Unix Panda 01. And going down below, I have enabled the access control list here. And also I have unblocked the public access because I want to host my website. So here, and also moving down, I acknowledge that condition here and let the remain of the setting be set by the default. And go down the page and click on the create bucket. So now our bucket is being created. It's time to add the files or folders to the bucket. So select the bucket which we have created here and go to the bucket. So there is an option to upload. So I click on the upload option here. And there are the add files and add folder. So if you have files or folder, you can add that. So in my case, I have a separate folder for that which have multiple files. So I click on the add folder and I navigate to my folder section where I have every file stored. So I click on the upload. So here are the list of files that are being uploaded here. Click on the upload button. So now it is uploading to our bucket. And in no time we can see that all the files are being uploaded here. So I close that and we can see that there is a separate folder for in my bucket. So I click on my folder. So there are the files. So the main is the index.html, which is the front facing of our website, which I want to make. So you can see that there are many options there, and there is the object URL. So first we have to make. So first I make every item public. So go to the select all items and click on action and make public here. So you can read that alert option. So I click on the make public. So all the files have now publicly accessible. So now when I go to my index.html, and there is a URL. So when I click on the URL, I can see that so my website is publicly accessible. So to recheck that, I want to make sure that it is working fine. So I copy the link of the URL and I paste in an incognito mode to check whether it is properly working or not. So I try to make it light appearance. So I try to make the appearance light, but it didn't succeed. So yeah, it is working fine. We can see that our website is hosted. So yeah, if you like this video and hope if you get something new, so please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.